So this is going to be a test. It's the Vantrue N2 Pro. It's got the dual screen, as you can see. Even in the car, it's got the overlay of what's in the car over top of the external. And I've just got it quick wired into the cigarette lighter for now. Next week or so, I'm going to go and have the hardwire kit, which I've purchased, professionally installed so that it doesn't mess up any of the trim, because it's just not my thing. But right now it's just a matter, I just want to see how this looks, and we're going to do the overlay for a little bit, and then I'm going to pause it, change it, and we'll see how the how different resolution, which is probably what I'm going to run it at, looks. So right now it's 30 frames per second, front and rear, at full HD. So 1920 by 1080. I did a quick look at it earlier when I was just putting it on, and it looks really good. I've done a few system setting changes, and we'll see how that works, including, not using my license and for the tag, but something else, use my screen name. And I think that'll be cool. So I'm going to pause when I get around this cul-de-sac and go and take a look at what the full HD 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second looks like. Should look a lot better. So we're going to pause here, and I'm going to swap the video out.